Hello guys, my name is Rila Dinesh from CSITA section. In database management system, my tech talk concept is uh, relational databases, Hood, Stonebaker and Elysian. These three members are the three pillars for the relational database. One, let's see how. First, we will see the what is the relational database. Relational database stores the data in the table in the form of rows and columns. They allow the efficient querying and the management of data. The relational database proposed by Edgar Woods in the 1970s. The relational database is most common database which are used in the database management system. I will see the Edgar Woods. Edgar Woods was a computer scientist who is introduced the concept of relational model in his seminal paper in 1970. He defines 12 rules known as the Woods rules that database must adhere to be considered the relational. Woods rules laid a foundation of the modern relational database management system. I will see about the Mitchell Stonebreaker pioneer pioneer in the database management system. Mitchell Stonebaker is a prominent figure in the field of database management system. He has developed the several influential database systems, including the Ingers, Postgres, and the Vertica. And the Stonebaker research has focused on the improving the scalability and database. Normally, these he is a pioneer in the database. Now he is focusing on the improving the performance and scalability of the database. Now we'll see the how he is contributing. Stonebaker has advocated to use the specialized database system for a different type of workloads. He has been he has been proponent in the NoSQL movement, which emphasizes the no relational database management models. Stonebaker work in the influencing the implementation of the modern database system. Now is focusing on that. He have to use. We have to. He is focused. He is specifying that he is promoting that the specialized database system must be different for the different workloads, and is telling that the Stonebaker and is telling that influence the design implementation modern database. Now we have to see the Larry Ellison. He's a co-founder. He is a co-founder of a Oracle Corporation and CEO of a Oracle Corporation. Now we know that the Oracle also having the database. Oracle is named as a Oracle database developed by the Oracle Corporation. He is on the most widely used data relational database in the world. The Oracle database also uses the relational database. Elysian has made the key figure in the developing the promotion of relational. He is a key for promoting the relational database. How illusion impact on database industry? How the illusion? Illusion has been instrumentally is popularized the commercial relational database system. Illusion vision of a Oracle has shaped the direction of the database industry. Oracle's database product has been widely accepted by the business to reliability and performance. This Oracle database is used in the businesses because it has the features like reliability and the high performance. Yeah, by this illusion is shaped by illusion is shaped the database industry in a direction. Now we'll see about the evolution of relation database. Relational database has evolved over the years of incorporation and new features and technologies. Year by year or day by day, we can see the improvement in the relational database. Advance in the storage, processing, and query has made the relational database more powerful and versatile. The influence of Code, Stonebaker, and Elysian has been the developed the modern relational database system. Now we'll see about the relational database management system. Now we see that what is the relational database. Now we'll see the how the relational database management system manages the system. Now, relational database is a software. Normally, we know that it populate RBD products, the products of relational database management system are Oracle database, Microsoft SQL, and the MySQL. Relational database system provide the features like storage retrieving, and manipulation. Now we'll see the key features of the relational database. Key features are that they use SQL for the querying manipulation database. Relational database supports the transaction, ensuring the data integrity and consistency. A relational database have the data consistency and data integrity. Uh, as well as the transaction supports the transactions, and the relational database can ensure the relationship between tables by using foreign keys. Foreign key is nothing but it is a primary key for one uh, from one table, and is a key for and it is a and it is a normal key for another table is known as a foreign key, which is done between the two tables. Data modeling in the relational database. Data modeling involves the designing the structure of database. Entity relationship diagrams are commonly used to represent the relation between the entities in the database. Normalization is the process of user reducing the data redundancy and improving the data performance. What ER model is nothing but it is a diagrammatic representation of a relationship or entities, where it consists diagrams like a rectangle, triangle, and the directions. The flow is represented by the arrows, rhombus also. ACID is a properties of relational database. A stands for atomicity, C stands for consistency, I stands for isolation, and D stands for durability. These four are the four pillars for a relational database. Indexing in the relational database. Now we will see the how the relational database has indexes. The index is the combination of searching key and data reference. The both the combination of key, searching key, and data reference we known as a single index. Now we'll see the indexes allows the fast retrieval of the data. Normally, the indexes is used to retrieve the data fastly. For that purpose, the indexes are introduced. In this also, indexes are allowed to use the fast retrieval of the data, creating the storage on the one more column. Now we'll see of the data security in relational database. Relational database offer the features such as user authentication, access control, and encryption and protect process data. Protect data, not process data. Okay, rule based access, the control allows the administrator to define the permissions for the different user or group. Regular backups and disasters recovery plans. Normally, data security. Relational database provides the data security by using like user authentication, encryptions, and user control. And like this, it protects the data, and it provides the backups. Also, role-based access also is provided, and it defines the permissions for the different user for a group. Okay, now we will see the scalability in relational database. Relational database can scale vertically by adding the more resources to a single server. They can also scale horizontal by distributing the data across the multiple server cluster. Techniques such as shared and replications are used achieve the scalability in relational database. Now we will see the challenges, the limitations of relational database. Relational database may face the performance issue with the complex queries or large queries. Normally, the SQL, we know that for retrieving the data in relational database, we will use the queries. In these queries, some queries are complex. The first point is that it is challenging for to remember that all the queries. Maintaining the referential integrity and normalize can be challenged in involving the data models. To normalize the data, it is also one challenge. No SQL database also another challenge. Here, maintaining limitations are maintaining problem, cost, physical storage, loop scalability, and decreases in the performance every time. These are the additional limitations for the relational database. Now we'll see the hybrid approach. Hybrid database is a combination of relational and non-relational database, where NewSQL database aim to provide a scalability of NoSQL. Polyglot presents the advocates for using the multiple database technologies within the application to optimal performance. Now we'll see the future strengths in the relational database. Relational database evolved to support the new data types such as the spatial, temporal, and graph data. Machine learning and AI are the began integrated into a relational database to enhance the query, optimize the data analysis. Now we will see the importance of code stones and the relational in on the relational database. Code's theoretical framework leads to the group work, a relational database, and they establish the fundamental principle. This fundamental principle is known as the code's rules, and the Stonebaker practically innovation have the influenced the developed database system and architecture. Elysian business acumen and technologies vision have shaped the commercial success or a relational database. These 12 principles of codes. Now we'll see the conclusion. Relational database have played a crucial role in managing the analyzing the structure of data for decades. As the data continues grow, it involves the volume, complexity, and relational database will continue to adapt and evolution. Thank you and have a nice day.